Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic kitchen appliance that's sure to elevate your cooking experience, the Toshiba Mini Rice Cooker, specifically designed to cook up to 3 cups of uncooked rice, perfect for 1 to 3 people. We found this product online, and you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what makes this rice cooker stand out. The Toshiba Mini Rice Cooker is not just a one-trick pony. It's a multifunctional kitchen companion that goes beyond cooking rice. With 8 cooking functions, you can whip up everything from white rice to brown rice, mixed grains, porridge, and even cakes. Whether you are a novice in the kitchen or a seasoned chef, this rice cooker offers great versatility and convenience to make your meal prep a breeze. One of the standout features of this rice cooker is its fuzzy logic technology. This advanced cooking feature senses the moisture content of the rice and adjusts the temperature and cooking time accordingly. This means you can expect perfectly cooked, fluffy rice every time, without any guesswork. It's not just great for rice, this technology also helps in cooking a variety of grains and dishes to perfection, making it a true culinary powerhouse. Now, let's discuss its versatility. The Toshiba Mini Rice Cooker can handle various types of rice, including jasmine, sushi, basmati, and wild rice. But it doesn't stop there. You can also cook grains like oatmeal and quinoa, making it perfect for those who enjoy a healthy breakfast or need to prepare a quick, nutritious meal. Its compact size makes it ideal for individuals or small families, allowing you to cook multiple servings of rice while still being small enough to fit comfortably on your kitchen counter. Ease of use is another significant advantage of this rice cooker. The intuitive control panel features a large LED display that makes programming simple and straightforward. The keep warm and reheat functions keep your rice deliciously warm for hours, while the delay timer allows you to schedule your cooking up to 24 hours in advance. This is perfect for those busy days when you want a hot meal waiting for you when you get home. Cleaning is often a hassle with kitchen appliances, but Toshiba has made this easy. The inner pot comes with a non-stick coating, which simplifies the cleaning process. While it's not recommended for the dishwasher, a quick wash with mild soap and a soft cloth will do the trick. The steam valve at the top of the lid is also removable for easy cleaning, ensuring that you can maintain your appliance effortlessly. Safety is a priority with the Toshiba Mini Rice Cooker as well. It features a detachable power cord to prevent accidents, and the lid locks firmly in place during cooking to avoid spills. A thermal fuse helps prevent overheating, while the steam vent cap prevents hot steam from escaping during cooking. Additionally, the automatic shutoff feature turns off the heating element once cooking is complete, offering peace of mind while you go about your day. So, who is this rice cooker suitable for? It's an excellent option for anyone from busy professionals to small families, or even college students living in dorms. If you're looking for a reliable, compact, and efficient rice cooker that can do more than just cook rice, this Toshiba model is a great choice without breaking the bank. In practical use cases, imagine coming home after a long day and having your dinner prepped and waiting for you thanks to the delay timer. Or perhaps you want to impress friends with a homemade cake or a bowl of hearty stew. This rice cooker can handle it all. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.